Mortars are the backbone of land warfare, but they are not accurate enough to destroy enemy weapons like tanks or soft-skinned vehicles or rocket installations. Now, precision-guided mortars and other precision munitions are available, but they are expensive and heavy to ship, and Russia is systematically destroying the Ukraine rail system top to bottom, so it's going to become increasingly difficult to deliver weapons when and where they're needed. A better solution: the Ukraine military has an ample supply of common unguided Russian mortars, so a better idea is to convert these unguided rounds into guided rounds by adding an inexpensive plastic guidance head like a nose cone with fins and a small computer and a CCD camera, and all the parts are commercial off the shelf. Benefits. Point 1. Repurpose piles of common mortars into tank-killing guided mortars. Point 2. Unlike guided mortars, delivery of the guidance retrofit to mortar crews does not depend on rail. The retrofit units are inert, physically small, they weigh ounces, so a single car or a van could deliver a few hundred units, and the last mile delivery could be on foot. And frontline resupply could be via civilian drone service even. Point 3. The delivery supply chain is undetectable and has no single point of failure. Point 5. The device could in principle be manufactured in Ukraine by Ukraine companies, but it could also be manufactured by civilians using 3D printers and COTS parts with software delivered by the internet. Point 5. There's a unique PR profile here. Ukraine uses Russian mortars to destroy Russian weapons using a device built by civilians with 3D printers and COTS parts provided by a civilian resistance supply chain. And point 6. It's completely unexpected by the enemy. Features. Point 1. COTS AI image recognition software for in-flight target detection and homing. Point 2. Selectable target type with fallback prioritized list of secondary targets in case all the primaries have been destroyed. Point 3. The flight envelope derivation uses a patent-protected technology that's unavailable anywhere else. It's applied from earlier missile work. Project status. Major de-risking steps are complete. For example, ultra-fast prototyping has been demonstrated, COTS hardware and software suppliers have been identified, AI training has been demonstrated for target recognition, a physical prototype is complete, and the guidance loop has been demonstrated, including servo motors, computer, the CCD camera, and AI image recognition trained for tank targets, with a Z on them. What's remaining? Finalize the proportional navigation guidance loop, including the aerodynamics model. Finalize and demonstrate the image resolution assistance piece and live fire proving tests, of course. It needs to be productized, and we have to create and manage the production contracts or design, do the design licensing. Main risk areas: the aerodynamics flight model refinement, possible wind tunnel tests, live fire proofing tests, and demonstration of image resolution assistance piece. The team: an agile, hand-picked group of MOD-trained defense electronics and simulation specialists with hands-on experience regarding exploitation of guided missiles. The ask: up to $2 million US, milestone payments with full transparency of actual costs, weekly progress reports including estimated time to complete, an updated risk assessment, and the customer can cancel the project at any time. Deliverables: a negotiated number of ready-to-use guidance heads for mortar types specified by the customer. Delivery no later than 5 months after receipt of order.